In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate and utilize manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to manage your website with ease. Whether you're just getting started with Wix or looking for some new tips to enhance your editing skills, this guide has you covered. Let's dive right in. The first thing we need to do is open the setup page on wix.com. This is your central hub where you manage all aspects of your site. Simply head over to the Wix dashboard to get started. Here, you'll find a variety of options and configurations that will help you streamline your website management. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with these resources as they form the backbone of your site's operation. Once on the setup page, the next step is to focus on editing your site's visual elements, starting with the header. Navigate over to the Wix Editor, which is where all the creative magic happens. Now find the header line on the page. Click and drag this header line to make any necessary adjustments. The header is often the first thing visitors see when they land on your site, so it's important to ensure it aligns with your brand's identity. Customizing this element can enhance both the aesthetic appeal and usability of your site. After you're satisfied with the header, it's time to turn your attention to the footer. Similar to the header, the footer is a consistent feature across all your site's pages, providing valuable information and navigation links. Click and drag on the footer line in the Wix Editor to adjust it as needed. Strategically organizing your footer space can help guide visitors to important sections of your site while also including critical information like contact details or social media links. With your header and footer now perfectly tailored, there's one final step to ensure your hard work is saved. Click on the Save button in the Wix Editor. This is an essential step that should not be overlooked. Clicking Save ensures all your modifications are securely stored and ready to be published live on your site. Saving your progress regularly is a good habit to develop to prevent any accidental loss of changes. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering website management and editing on Wix.com. Each task we covered today is a small but important part of creating a professional and engaging online presence. Don't hesitate to explore the many other functions Wix offers, as they provide a robust platform for all your website needs. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing!